property investors. Today we are receiving home buyers in our warehouse, doing a little warehouse tour to show them their items here in storage, welcome them back to paradise, and talk about their upcoming install. We are so happy to be able to offer a seamless end-to-end logistics service, single point of contact for all vacation property furnishings needs. And even when there are delays in receiving and delivering your vacation home or condominium, we have a full warehouse space for holding, staging, and storing your items so we can be ready for your white glove install when that big day comes. So follow along, take a look. So here we go. Owners arrived with all of this hand-checked baggage containing artwork, personal effects, decor items, and housewares that will be added to their palletized rows here, kept in storage and ready for their white glove install. We will be staging this, we will be doing art hanging, we'll be placing all of their decor items as part of the install process. And meantime, they are here safe and sound on their palletized row.